The network and space member list is an easy way for you to manage all of your members inside your network and also inside of your individual spaces. You can filter them inside of this list and also take bulk action. To get to the network member list, you'll go to admin, and under the members section, you'll see member list. Inside of this list, you'll see a lot of filtering options. So the first filtering options are up here. You can select all, which will show you all of your network members. You can filter by specific spaces, plans, roles, which is host, moderator, or member, tags, badges, or if they've been inactive recently. You can also add additional filters as well. So this is a custom field that I have, so I can filter by that as well. You can also sort them A to Z, Z to A by their role, the date they joined, which will show the latest first, the date they joined, which will show the earliest first, last active, latest, and last active, earliest. Inside of this list, you can also take bulk action. So say, for example, I wanted to select a few of these members. I could then send a message to them, add a badge, remove a badge, add a tag, or remove a tag. And we will be adding more abilities to take bulk actions in the future. You can also download a member list here. So if you go ahead and select this and download, you'll get an email of CSV download of all of your members and their pertinent information. We have a great Help Center article that covers all of those fields specifically. So that is your network member list. If you go inside of specific space, then you can also find your member list there. So if we go inside here and then choose under members member list, you'll see the member list for just those people inside of that space. And you have all of those same filters as well. So this is a really powerful feature, both inside of spaces and at the network level as well.